Hi there guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize header and footer in WordPress. Stick around till the end. Go ahead to the plugins, search install plugins, and find a plugin called Elementor header and footer. If you don't have this plugin working, go ahead and search add new. In the search tab, search Elementor header and footer. Go ahead, pop in the enter result. If you don't work it, just search Elementor, and you should be able to, Elementor. Enter again, and you should be prompted with this one right here. Click on it, and then basically you're good to go. Go ahead to Elementor, click on settings. I'm gonna go back to Elementor again, and I'm going to go ahead, click, for example, the pages, any page we have. Click edit with Elementor. Now gonna click on the search, the left side right here, clicking global, and if I don't find it, I can go ahead in this and search for one of those. Either Elements Kit, or right here on the right tab I can find theme builder, and under the theme builder here's the header. Can click right here, and if you have Elementor Pro, you will be able to add these. But since we don't have Elementor Pro, let's go back and let's use our plugin right here. So let's go ahead to plugins, click on settings right here for this plugin, and let's go ahead and click theme support and choose the method you would like. Click on all templates and choose what we're looking for. That's basically it, guys, for the header and footer plugin. Thanks for watching and goodbye.